Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by organizing the images you want in a sticker pack and confirming format requirements so WhatsApp accepts them. Choose PNG or WebP files at roughly 512 by 512 pixels and compress each under 100 KB to avoid upload issues. Once done, create a simple tray icon at 96 by 96 pixels and assemble optional metadata like author and emojis. You do this now because a tidy source set prevents errors later and speeds up the pack creation and import process. Now you build the actual pack using either the official WhatsApp sticker maker or a reliable third-party app. This step converts files into the app's required structure. Add each image, assign one or more emojis to help find stickers, and attach the tray icon. Then export the package in the WhatsApp-compatible format. This packages images and JSON metadata together. Make sure to preview the pack and test it on an emulator or spare device to catch alignment or sizing issues before adding it to your main account. Finally, import the package stickers into WhatsApp by opening Stickers, tapping Add, and selecting your exported pack. The app will register it for immediate use. Send a few test stickers in different chats to ensure animation, transparent areas, and emoji triggers behave as expected. If something goes wrong, first verify file size and image dimensions, then inspect the metadata JSON for missing fields. If problems persist, reinstall the sticker app or clear WhatsApp cache, and try importing again to resolve lingering registration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.